Hello everyone, Assalamu alaikum. How are you all? I hope you are well. Welcome back to my channel in this new video. Today's video, how to add calendar date in Google Sheets. So get let's started. At first, open your Google Sheets document. In this video, I will show add a calendar date. Now going to the data option. Now click on the data validation option. Now click for a add role option. Now select on the sheet. Now click for a drop down option. Now select from invalid date. Now click for a done. Now data validators in the close. Now show the face. Now mouse double click, then show the calendar. Now press on the date, then again another row. Now double click and mark the all issue. That's it. Then I show add a calendar date in Google Sheets is very easily. I hope to enjoy the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for